wakwaba aha GCN page so midin e de adwoa searching subscribe to use GCN page so na fa wonsa me abel no so benya notification ene sa ne news e de betum bia obenya bia tie ana sa obenya bia hwe e wo GCN page ha owura Ben Nefson eye obi a oye analysis e fa politics ho na ode ensem bia todwa afa NDC amayoko no e na fenso former president John Dramani Mahama na edensem na owura Ben Nefson ede etudwane sem a okay na ne se oman penida da John Dramani Mahama mpenu ho asem a se onwini eye flag bearership position as say opera na omma modern so obetru so ni running mate efi Volta region anya sa de asembeto no asembeto ne papa na NDC fo no me na mo nyom adwen se economy ni mu ayede ena na na do aye sei na na do aye sei no one can say Ghana for automatically no beto aba na e de amomo enye sa nete na emom ne so on person mu wini aba na enye makakra bi o ye so mo ye na emom titru pa ne so man penda da John Dramani Mahama it's obvious on ena ona na NDC for pe na emom se NDC for pe wo so dia central red one adu ani a kire ho no ma mi Jane opoku agima no fa no as running mate on pe mo asema ko Volta region na yes ha asema to because already no Volta region
aye no de tosu mienu de obedi sikan no ohunu say eye Canada Japan Kennedy will beat Alan Ben Nefson akasa no or the polls in koma otwetwe o say ba o mia we ni pe MP so mo asantemantem ha ene o mo MPP mo asantemam mu ha o mo nsiesie o mo say general obeyi ba ko afiri ha say running mate and enya basa so there Asantis will vote pa. For the first time we're going to have a vice president or a running mate who can be the vice president coming from Ashanti region. Or say Baumia aye adwuma ma from 2016 to 2020 Oma increase your votes in the northern region by 10%. But Oma lose 4%, 6% will Volta region. A cut across all regions are Voltarians are what even Ashanti region no when they vote NDC lose 6%. It go back to your mama for say offer a running mate coming from the Volta region. Let me do a quick happy birthday. Me who say mini aba akosi atnase. Ebe so twen komo nche bia free. Akosi do aya ho power.
No. Oh.
Will you be the flag bearer for the LDC for 2024?
Uncle Ben.
Yes.
Sesi Omampani John Mama, Senyame Adomna 2024. Ghana for eto abama no a owomfie 9. Owia e was NDC for the obi fufro ebe kire Ghana. Ujiri se running mate ombe yino no eno betimi anya ginaye bi se oso omufa obi a bia ono so John Mama ni obetimi asina na mu e oso omo sesa na Jane ana ono anso na oso omo de ne ko wadaroma.
Oh, we did say one winning delegate or margin is the would be kase important panel as the running mate, automatically, on Obedina after no Mahama. But one thing, if you say, is 1992. Want to be in Kase, war for 5 minutes as presidential candidate. And now as running mate, no one now vote. That is not the trend. Before BC most 2000, 2004, and Sana most really ran off in 2008. Mahama for Nana from Central Region, as 2020, Mahama received Central. This is Mahama, if you are finding running mate, this is a Volta. Because Volta was stronghold, over the last 3 elections, almost losing votes, over 6%, lots of votes in the region. And that also corresponds to lots of votes among ethnic communities in other regions. It is before over the running mate, I was there,
Oh, Yansha, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, ever since Obeye Vice President 2016 2020, Utia Amanfoka said, we're making a lot of gains in the northern part. And the Ama NDC are one northern region, no, and Tisa Sabu. What do you make of it? Should he become the flag bearer of the new patriotic party? I bet my how Mampeni your mama was stream.
Well, in the last 3 elections in the north, LDP has gained about 10% more of votes. So definitely his presence will worry LDP and Mahama. So the last elections, MPP votes in the northern region and increases by 10%. And you can't put 10% away as 350.
Not just Oba Ase Haswa Asante Mantem looking at Omampeni John Dramani Mahama 2016-2020 the performance or increase by 4% or 28 but Omantima generally or you'll be about so pain Ghana for me performance but considering what is going on now Ghana if say economy no be the basis of election 2024 and now say ebejina the individual leading the party.
Well, for the two parties, you need to get as much votes as possible in your stronghold. For NDC, they have to get the maximum votes as possible in Volta and the northern regions. For the MPP, they have to get a lot of votes in Ashanti and Eastern regions, their stronghold. Number 2, no after Central, Greater Accra and Western. The performance of the two candidates, that is, if Mohammed becomes the candidate, will depend a lot on one getting a lot of votes for their stronghold. And I believe he said, to about Mia Baye NPP flag bearer, he will pick an Ashanti as his running list.
There's a Maumia Baye flag bearer, obey Santini.
Logo 5 Santini has been run.